Welcome, in front of me is a Google Pixel 4a, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. And to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture, and I will use settings as an example. So once you have it open, you want to press power key and volume down. You'll get this image or animation of the screenshot being captured along with the sound for it, and that is one way you can capture it. Now there's also another way by, I believe, there we go, by going into the recent, and as you can see you have a screenshot button right here, and it does basically the exact same thing. And now once you capture those screenshots, whichever way you do it, they can be found in the photo gallery. So let's find the application Photos right here, and in here as you can see there are the two screenshots that I have captured. And that is basically how you would capture a screenshot on this device. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.